Hi everybody, for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I take out my Senegalese twists and how I do my natural hair. So for this you're going to need a few combs, some hair ties, and a pair of scissors. So here I'm just cutting the twist so it'll be easier for me to take out, and all you really have to do is unravel the twist and undo the braid at the top and then detangle your natural hair. And this is all of the hair that came out when I detangled, and here I just came back after my hair was washed and conditioned and all that. So here I'm just doing a length check. So now for my natural hair routine, you're going to need a wide tooth comb, some hair ties, a spray bottle, and I use the DEVA Curl One Condition Decadence and the DEVA Curl Super Cream. And so what I do is I spray my hair with water, and then I put the One Condition Decadence in my hair. I use like a lot of that product, and then I use the Coconut Super Cream, and I only use a little bit per section. Usually I do finger coils just because it helps to define my curls better. When you do finger coils, you just take each curl individually and you twirl it around your finger until it's nice and defined. This is my hair when I finished doing all the finger coils and everything. And I did not take clips of that day when my hair was dry, so this is my hair like about a week later and it still looks pretty good. I just had to spray it with water and I stretched it a little bit and I just put it in this little style. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I'll see you guys in my next video.